Hello and welcome to another askallo tutorial video. Today we are going to show you how to use filters within an askallo survey. So what is our goal? In our survey we want to show some questions of our questionnaire only to a specific audience, and we need to tell the system which criteria the participants have to fulfill in order to see these questions. We already set up this sample survey for our employees, and besides other aspects, we ask for the department the current participant works in. This information is necessary because later on we have specific questions for the single departments. As we proceed to the next page, we see the specific question for human resources, and that is one of the questions we want to be shown only to a desired audience. Here is what we need to do. Above each question, there is a blue button with a funnel on it and the label Show Always, which means that this question is shown to everyone in the survey. If we click on the button, the filter editor pops up, and at the beginning no filter is available, so we can add a new filter. After we typed in a name, like Human Resources, we can add new conditions. The most used condition is the answer condition, and if we click on the corresponding button, a list of all the questions in our survey appears. In our case, we want employees from the Human Resources department, so we need to select question number 2. Which department do you work for? And the answer, Human Resources. Furthermore, we want this answer to be selected by the participant, so we just leave the selected option active and save the condition. After we saved, our filter Human Resources shows the new condition, and we save and go back to our filter list. The filter we just created is now available for every question, and we only need to click on the filter name to apply it to our question. When I click on the filter name, the filter editor is closed, the questionnaire reloaded, and afterwards we see a new label which says Filter Human Resources. The system now knows that the participant has to fulfill the criteria we declared in the filter condition. Otherwise, the question will not be shown. But all other questions without a filter will be displayed. Let's take a look on the preview. We click on Preview, Continue, and at first we are working in the production department. Click on Next, and as we can see, we jumped over question number 6. In order to verify that the filter really works, we go back, and now we work for the Human Resources department. Click on Next again, and voila! There's our specific question for the Human Resources department. As you can see, it's a pretty easy task to use filters within askallo. Of course, we just scratched the top of the iceberg, because the system behind the filters offers you some more functionality. You could use multiple conditions with logical AND or logical OR. You can combine conditions from different questions, build hierarchies, and so on. But for the moment, we would like to keep the video as short as possible, so you could return to askallo and begin using the filters. As a last note, you can also filter whole pages with the same system. Just click on the orange button on top of each page which says View Page Always, and you'll get to the same editor. If we do that right now, we see our Human Resources filter we just created. We click on its name and apply it on the whole second page. Then, if we open our preview again, select Production, here. We'll jump over the whole second page and continue on page 3 with the question for all participants. When we go back and select Human Resources, we're going to see page number 2, like here, and after that, page number 3, just as if we were a regular participant. Okay, that's it for the moment. Thanks for watching and have fun using our filter system.